Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As the Burr months have begun, the malls are decorated with Christmas lights. Philippines is a country which celebrates Christmas way before few months to Christmas. So it is so exciting to see lights all around, mainly in the malls. Still, the Christmas trees have not been put up. I'm so excited to see the Christmas tree this year in SM Mall. Last year, both SM Mall and Robinsons Mall had a massive Christmas tree. Let's see what it looks like this year. Right now we are at the Robinsons Mall. The day before we saw a small clip on Christmas lights in Robinsons Mall on Facebook. So decided to see the lights and mainly Leah will be so excited. We came little earlier, it's still not dark outside, so we are literally killing the time by walking here and there. And here we go. It was so beautiful to see in real. Oh my goodness, Leah loved it so much. And then we left. On the way, we saw the Christmas lights in the 888 Mall. Few days later, I made a chicken pesto pasta, which is not the usual one I make. I added coconut milk to this dish and it was divine. So here are some clips while making my yummy delicious dinner. That's it guys, hope you like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. We'll meet with another video on next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.